Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can use Envato elements themes in conjunction with WordPress, okay, to kind of build your own themes and to have your page looking beautiful and ready. Okay guys, so first of all I want to clear a point of confusion, of usual confusion, and that is that in Envato elements you have two kind of different things. You have your template kits and you also have your themes, okay, for WordPress. But these are not the same thing. The template keys are usually meant to be used with, something else, such as a page builder, for example, Elementor, okay? But you cannot just upload them directly to WordPress, which is what I'm going to show you today. Okay, this is only reserved for the themes, okay, not for the template kits. So today I want to focus on themes in Envato Elements, all right? Now, furthermore, I want to mention, guys, that a lot of you might think that, there's some kind of like plugin that you can use in WordPress, but this is no longer the case, okay? As of 2026, these plugins, for Premiere Pro, for like DaVinci Resolve, for WordPress have been discontinued completely, so you cannot use them any longer. This means that we're gonna have to do this manually, so I'm gonna show you how exactly, okay? Now, first of all, guys, we're just going to go to Envato Elements, and I want you to pay close attention to what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for the search bar, and I'm going to say WordPress, okay? This is going to take me to the kind of themes or template kits compatible with WordPress. As you can see, there's so many beautiful, okay? So many. But I'm going to look specifically for themes, not for template kits, okay? This is important for you. Themes, okay? This is going to allow us to make an easy installation, okay? Because if we base this on the template kits, it's not going to be enough to do this very easily. So now you're going to have to look for something that you like. For example, I'm just going to get this first one here, the travel blog theme, okay? And I always recommend you click on live preview in here. This live preview is going to tell you how it's going to look. Basically, as you can see, this one doesn't look so bad. Okay, maybe a little bit simple, but it doesn't look so bad, okay? So you always must click on live preview to see if you actually like it or not. Once you are convinced that this is the theme you want to use, you're going to have to click on download, okay, on this green button. So let's just click on it, download. Now this is going to download like a comprise folder, like a, files that you're going to have to uncompress, okay, or decompress. Just, right click and use like 7-zip or WinRAR to kind of decompress them. Alright, it's very simple. Okay, our job in Envato is finished. Now we're gonna have to move on to WordPress. So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna click on appearance. We're gonna click on themes. Okay, that's why we downloaded themes specifically, not template kits. And now as you can see, we have all of the themes in here, default for WordPress, or you can actually look for more. Okay, but this is not the one that we're looking for. We want to click on install a new theme in here. And now guys, it's very important to mention that you're gonna have to have like a personal plan or higher to kind of access the theme install features. Okay, so this is gonna cost you money, okay, to have like the appropriate subscription for WordPress. So you can just click on upgrades, and you can just click on plan, and you can upgrade to personal, premium, business, commerce, so on, so on, so on. Okay, but anyways, what you're gonna do once you have that is we're gonna basically drop the files or click here to install, and we're just gonna drag the themes folder. So, in all of the files that you download, basically, you're gonna have like different folders. One of them is going to be documentation, the other one's going to be like the license, but the one that you have to drag and click here is going to be the theme particularly, okay? So just, drag or click here and kind of put the theme folder in this box here. And that's pretty much it, it's going to take a couple of minutes and it's going to guide you through the steps and tell you that maybe you want to install these libraries or these plugins. You're basically gonna say yes to everything, and you're gonna let WordPress do its magic and install everything for you. And now, when you go back to the themes, it's gonna be in there. Okay, so you can just look for it by its name, basically. You can just start using it, which is great. Okay, and you're gonna use it like any other theme. You can just click on it, basically, You can activate it or preview it with your content, with demo content, but you can just activate it. Okay, and that's gonna make sure that you have that style in your page. All right, so that's pretty much it, and it's pretty simple as you can see. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you so much.